nawawala siya. Now, you have the gas absorption factor at the top of the column here. Then you need to substitute, of course, the value of the solvent, the slope of the equilibrium line, hallelujah, because it's a straight equilibrium line, and the V1 that we have already determined. So this is the gas absorption factor at the top of the column. You do the same at the bottom of the column. So your gas feed is 30. Its mole fraction in the acetone is 1%. And your solvent carrying with it the recovered 90% of the acetone is now 90.27. This we have determined already in the previous part of the solution. And this is our XAN, also determined. Then all we have to do is substitute the Ln and the V sub n plus 1 and the M here, M being constant at 2.53. You have noticed there is a slight difference in the value of the absorption factors, meaning that our operating line is not really that straight, but more or less the approximation in the graphical approach is okay, because more or less this is a straight line with a difference in the slope of 0.01 of the bottom and the end of that line. So we need to get the geometric mean of these two, and that would be 1.195. The rest would just be a matter of substitution to the formula. If you recall, we have here a 1 minus 1 over A plus 1 over A, and this is the ln of A. This is your YAN plus 1, and this is your YA1. This is your MXO. XO being 0 because we don't have acetone in our solvent. So based on our computation, the number of stages is 5.04. So if you're doing it graphically, it's really, in this case, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more or less, it's 5.2 in here. This is the actual solution of the problem, whereas this one is just an approximation of the graphical technique, okay? So the actual problem graphical solution is this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.